What is a hybrid solar system? Welcome to this presentation on hybrid solar systems. Today, we'll explore what they are, how they work, their components, advantages, and limitations. Definition: a hybrid solar system is a smart combination of grid-tied and off-grid solar setups. It uses solar panels to generate electricity, stores excess energy in batteries, and still remains connected to the utility grid. This gives homeowners the flexibility to use solar power, stored power, and grid power as needed. Main components: the main components of a hybrid solar system include solar panels that capture sunlight, a hybrid inverter that manages energy flow, and batteries for storage. The system is connected to the grid for backup, and in some cases, a generator is also included as an additional source of power. How it works: during the day, solar panels produce electricity. The energy is first used to power your home, and the excess charges the batteries. If the batteries are full, any surplus energy is exported to the grid. At night, or when there's a power outage, the stored energy in the batteries keeps your home running smoothly. Advantages: hybrid solar systems offer several advantages. They provide backup during power cuts, lower your electricity bills, and make maximum use of solar energy. They also give homeowners a level of energy independence, making them a flexible and reliable choice for long-term power solutions. Limitations: however, there are also some limitations. Hybrid systems have a higher upfront cost compared to basic solar setups. The batteries require maintenance and eventually need replacement. Additionally, installation is more complex and requires expert handling. Conclusion: in conclusion, a hybrid solar system combines the best of both worlds, grid-tied and off-grid solar. It ensures an uninterrupted power supply, reduces reliance on the grid, and promotes energy independence. This makes it especially useful in areas with unreliable electricity or for households seeking long-term savings and security.